in the summertime when we had the tech camp. It was our first exercise of bringing at the same table developers and civil society and representatives of media, but also representatives of the government. So it was for the first time when we understood actually what is the use of open data. We continued after the tech camp working with civil society and media, organizing meetings in government, pushing for opening the data sets that are of immediate priority to the citizens. We worked on improving our portal, Open Data Portal, by making it more interactive with the citizens. At the same time, we started preparations for joining the Open Government Partnership. We'll be working on increasing public integrity, on improving public services, and improving the management of public financing.
At first, it was an internship, so I was helping the government center with the Open Data Initiative primarily. So since there was a lot of need for help for this initiative and also for the Open Government Initiative, they decided to create a job position. So right now I'm the Open Government Coordinator at the Government Center, and I'm dealing with both open government efforts as well as open data.
The Prime Minister has issued 2 directives, one in May last year, through which each ministry was asked to open at least 3 data sets each month. We have not been delivering upon this goal, but that's the homework we'll be continue dealing with right now. Also through the second directive of the Prime Minister from February 2012, each ministry appointed a person who is responsible for the open government data, for opening up the data sets.
I've been going to ministries, explaining them what the Open Data Initiative is all about, what data we want, what data they should open, how they should open, what format, so that they understand the general concept. The Open Government Action Plan, I was responsible for writing the action plan, for consulting it for 3 months with the civil society, with the citizens, with international experts. So that was created, that was consulted, that was adopted by the government. Then we went to Brazil, we presented it, we established many connections with the international community. So right now we have partners in the US, UK, other countries in Europe, Brazil, which is great. We want to grow this amount of international help, international exposure we have to. And this event that we just recently had, the Open Innovation Week, that also opened up connections to Africans, so we hope to extend on that collaboration with them.
Right now we are reorganizing inside each ministry, and we will set up the CIO office in each ministry. The CIO office, one among the 4 people, will be dealing with data, but we have been constantly organizing in partnership with the USAID, in partnership with the World Bank, trying to connect the local to the global partners, partnerships that encourage us to continue promoting change in the country, but also help us learn from what others are doing and not spend time and money on producing knowledge and learning from our own experience. For the open government to succeed, it's very important for each partner to talk digital, to be digital, to act digital.
I have seen improvement ever since we created the Open Data Work Group. More and more data sets were being uploaded on the data.gov.md, and surprisingly from the ministries that did not know what it was all about, that were saying we don't have data, we don't have this, we don't have that, we don't know how to work with Excel. And surprisingly, after a couple of meetings, after a couple of discussions, after a couple of trainings, it's growing.